Hello everyone, my name is Anjum. The topic is selecting solid waste disposal facilities. Introduction to solid waste disposal. Proper disposal of solid waste is essential for environmental protection and public health. Selecting the right disposal facility involves understanding various environmental, technical, and social factors. This presentation outlines key considerations in choosing suitable solid waste disposal facilities. Types of solid waste disposal facilities. Common facilities include landfills, incinerators, recycling centers, and composting sites. Each type has specific uses, advantages, and limitations. The selection depends on waste characteristics, regulatory requirements, and community needs. Landfills overview. Landfills are engineered sites designed for the disposal of solid waste by burial. They are the most common method of waste disposal worldwide. Proper design and management are crucial to prevent environmental contamination. Landfill design considerations. Key factors include liner systems, leachate collection, and gas management. Site selection should consider hydrogeology, geology, and proximity to sensitive areas. Adequate capacity planning is essential for future waste management needs. Environmental impact of landfills. Landfills can produce leachate that contaminates groundwater if not properly managed. Methane gas generated from decomposing waste must be captured to reduce greenhouse emissions. Proper site monitoring and closer procedures mitigate long term environmental impacts. Incineration facilities overview. Incinerators burn waste at high temperatures to reduce volume and generate energy. They can significantly decrease landfill use and recover energy in the form of electricity or heat. Air emissions from incinerators require controlled technologies to meet regulatory standards. Incineration design and operation. Effective operation depends on waste composition, moisture content, and burn technology. Emission control systems include scrubbers, filters, and catalytic converts. Proper ash handling and disposal are necessary to prevent environmental hazards. Recycling and material recovery facilities. Recycling centers process waste materials for reuse, reducing the need for virgin resources. Material recovery facilities sort and prepare recyclables for manufacturing. Promoting recycling can significantly decrease the volume of waste requiring disposal. Composting facilities overview. Composting involves biological decomposition of organic waste into nutrient rich soil amendments. It is an environmentally friendly method for managing biodegradable waste. Proper site selection and management are important to control odors and pests. Factors influencing facility selection. Waste composition, volume, and characteristics are critical considerations. Regulatory compliance, environmental impacts, and community acceptance influence decisions. Cost, capacity, and technological feasibility also play vital roles. Regulatory and legal considerations. Facilities must comply with local, state, and federal environmental regulations. Permitting processes evaluate site suitability, environmental impact, and operational safety. Ongoing monitoring and reporting are required to ensure compliance. Environmental impact assessment. Conducting an EIA helps identify potential environmental impacts of a facility. Stakeholder involvement ensures community concerns are addressed. EIA outcomes guide decision making and mitigation planning. Social and community factors. Public acceptance is crucial for successful facility sitting and operation. Community engagement and transparent communication foster trust. Addressing concerns about odors, traffic, and health impacts improves relations. Economic and cost considerations. Capital costs include site development, construction, and equipment. Operational costs cover staffing, maintenance, and compliance requirements. Cost benefit analysis helps determine the most sustainable disposal option. Technological advancements and innovations. Emerging technologies enhance efficiency, environmental protection, and safety. Waste to energy methods and advanced recycling improvement. Continuous research drives improvements in disposal facility performance. Site selection process. The process involves preliminary screening, detailed assessments, and public consultation. Geotechnical, hydrogeological, and environmental surveys inform sustainability. Final decisions should balance technical, environmental, social, and economic factors. Case studies of facility selection. Successful cases demonstrate effective planning, community involvement, and regulation compliance. Lessons learned highlight the importance of thorough assessment and adaptive management. Each case underscores the need for tailored solutions based on local conditions. Challenges in selecting disposal facilities, land availability, community opposition, and regulatory hurdles pose challenges. Managing environmental risks requires diligent planning and technology. Balancing economic costs with environmental and social benefits in complex. Future trends in waste disposal. Increasing emphasis on sustainability, circular economy, and zero waste initiatives. Integration of smart technologies for monitoring and management. Policy shifts aim to promote waste reduction, reuse, and environmentally friendly disposal methods. Conclusion and key takeaways. Selecting an appropriate solid waste disposal facility requires comprehensive analysis for multiple factors. Regulatory compliance, environmental protection, and community acceptance are essential. Ongoing innovation and stakeholder engagement will shape future waste management strategies. Thank you.